Hi, I'm Matt, and I'm a 3D printing engineer, which is a type of manufacturing engineer. So I help take designs and figure out the best way to make them using printing. So during the design process, I work closely with the design engineers as they're designing the product. So I provide feedback during various stages of the design to give insight into how something will print, or if something's printable at all, maybe it's too small or maybe it's too big. So there's constant feedback between me and the design team while they're designing the products. We can't always get everything perfect on the first try, the first design. So that next step of printing it as quickly as possible or failing as fast as possible is very important in our process. So for this project, we use a variety of printing materials and technologies, and part of my role was to help decide which ones we would use for each step of the process. So from rough draft prints to get an idea of what it's going to look like, to fully finished and full color models ready for display. So that's what it took to make this car model. Thank you for watching, and happy printing.